Hi, my name is Sampath. Today I'm going to tell how to create table of contents in Microsoft Word. Just imagine you are working with a really long document in Microsoft Word like an academic paper or a big report, depending on the project. It might be dozens or even hundreds of pages long. When a document in this large, it can be difficult to remember which page has what information. Unfortunately, Word allows you to insert a table of contents, making it easy to organize and navigate your document. Okay, now start to create table of contents. Go to reference to add the table of contents. Click on the table of contents. So before we need to add the table of contents, we need to change our sentences to header 1, our text styles to header 1, header 2 and header 3. Just keep cursor at the end of the sentence. Go click on home ribbon, click on the header 1. Now do the same. Now this is header 2. So below all are header 2 text style. Put header 2 text style. This is also header 2. Header 2. Yeah, now we added all the text to header 2. All the required sentences, we converted all the required sentences to header 2. Just undo it, select this one. We can also use the format painter to add text, to change the text style to below sentences. It's changed automatically by using format painter. So now we need to add the numbering. Just keep cursor at the end of the sentence, click on the numbering, it automatically turns. So here we need to add 1.1. So click on the multi-level list, select this option, click on the drop down list, go to change list level, select 1.1. so select this entire sentence, double click on the format painter, select the next sentence, it automatically changes to 1.2. so repeat the same for below sentences. 0.4, now next 1.4. yeah, now next 1.5. yes, it changed automatically. Yes, just press escape key to come back from format painter. So now we can add table of contents. Go to reference, click on table of contents, select the table of, so it's added automatically table of contents. Okay, now we need to increase the size, so push it down, push it to next page. So after pushing it to next page, select the entire data, copy it, paste the copied data to next page, paste it here. Yes, now we need to change the numbering. Just keep cursor at the end of the text, go to home, click on the down arrow in the numbering, click on change list value. No, we can't change in this way. So again, go to numbering, select set numbering value, select continuous from previous, select advanced value. So when you select the advanced value, below numbering is activate, so keep it, make it 2, make it 1, click on OK. So now below numbering is changed automatically. Now update our table of contents. Right click, click on update field, select update entire table, click on OK. It's automatically added. Okay, so push it up. Now push it up. Now I want to add the chapter in front of the one. I can go to numbering, click on define new numbering format. Here we can select any style, so type chapter, select our numbering cell 1 2 3, click on OK. We can select any format. I'm selecting 1 2 3 format. So just see our format automatically changed. So just right click, again update the field, so update entire table. So it's automatically added chapter 1. Okay, and now see when I just press and hold the control key, just move cursor on the table of contents, it's automatically turns to hands, cursor to hand symbol. Just click on that, it automatically goes to that paragraph as per the table of contents. So now see, I convert this file to PDF file. How it works in PDF file? So click on save as, select format PDF. Now browse the path. I am saving this document in on my desktop. Select desktop, click on save button, save it on desktop, save it to my desktop. Okay, now we can check the PDF. See, this is our PDF file. We converted Word document to PDF file. Just move the cursor on the PDF file, it turns to hand sketch. Just click on that, it directly goes to that page. So repeat the same again create on this sentence, it directly goes to that page. When we move the cursor on the table of contents, our cursor automatically changes to hand sketch. See it here. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and click on bell icon to get new updates.